Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2021 Audi A6 55. This is all courtesy of Audi of Burlington in Burlington, Massachusetts. Total price as equipped of $68,170. Very, very nice interior. Supercharged, turbocharged V6. I don't know why I said supercharged. Here is your 3D surroundings. Then you have your normal camera. Does it? It does show it rolling. That's pretty cool. But without further ado, actually, I want to test and see, does Audi do the thing? It does. Look at that. Really, really nice interior, especially for the price point. A6 is actually I was gonna say their next biggest, second biggest. It's actually the third, because you have the A3, and then you have the A4, then the A6. A5 is designed as the coupe edition of the A4. Nice light steering. We are in dynamic mode, so the sporty driving setting. It's a really, really nice interior, honestly. I've thought about buying one of these as just like a daily driver. Well, not buying, leasing one as just like a daily driver. It's really, really nice. Plenty of pep. This is really impressive. I haven't really driven many new Audis. I've driven an S4 and that's about it. Driven the Volkswagen Arteon, that's obviously sort of related, but not really all that related. I do just love all the materials in here. Wood grain trim. What a car. It is a car and a half. Ventilated seats as well. Again, I mean, I'm thoroughly impressed. It's my first time ever driving an A6. I am thoroughly impressed. I'm kind of thinking I'm gonna get something new. Kind of sporty. I'm tossed between M3, the new M3, a Hellcat. I don't know. And then after that, I'll end up probably just getting something normal until I pay off my student loans. I don't know. This is pretty good. This is really good. And I know they run pretty crazy lease specials on some of these. Not sure if, I think it's the, is it a 45? Yeah, I'm pretty sure the 45, the A6 45, probably is a little bit more aggressive on lease deals than the 55. But I'm sure if you do some digging around, you'll be able to get a great deal on them. I love the navigation too. That is awesome. This is a really, really nice car. Honestly, I am very surprised. Of course, you go into this when you drive DBS Superleggeras and all those crazy cars. You go into a normal-ish car, not expecting a lot. This is a bargain for what you get. I've always been a fan of the Kia Stinger. I've driven a bunch of them, as you guys know. But for 10 grand more, 10 grand and a little change based off of MSRP sticker price of a GT2 Stinger versus this. If I bought a Stinger, I don't know if I could be like, well, if I spent 10 grand more, I could have got this. I don't know if I could live with that, knowing how good this is now. Then even on the highway, just cruise. This is awesome. It's a really nice car. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.